Unlocking the mystery. The pitch of excitement. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a vibrant phrase that captures the essence of joy and exhilaration. Pitch of excitement. Whether you're a language learner or simply love to enrich your vocabulary, understanding this expression will add a colorful layer to your communication. So, let's embark on this exciting journey together. Before we dissect the phrase, it's essential to grasp the meaning of each word. Pitch, in this context, doesn't refer to a musical note or a sports field, but to a level or degree of something. And excitement, as many of you might already know, is the feeling of being energized or thrilled about something. Therefore, when these words combine to form pitch of excitement, they describe a very high level of enthusiasm or eagerness. This phrase is perfect for situations that are brimming with joy or anticipation. Imagine you're telling a story about going to your favorite artist's concert, and you want to convey how thrilled you were. Instead of just saying, "I was excited," you could say, "I was at the highest pitch of excitement." This not only emphasizes your feelings but also paints a vivid picture for your listener. In writing, it's great for expressive writing, like in novels, blogs, or even in an emotional email to a friend. In speech, use it to share personal experiences or to dramatize a story, making your conversation more engaging. To fully grasp the usage of pitch of excitement, let's look at a few examples. 1. As the curtain rose, the audience reached a pitch of excitement, eagerly anticipating the first performance. 2. The children's pitch of excitement was palpable as they unwrapped their gifts on Christmas morning. 3. My pitch of excitement about the upcoming vacation is impossible to hide. These examples show how versatile the phrase can be, applicable in various contexts to express a heightened state of happiness or anticipation. Understanding and using phrases like pitch of excitement can significantly enrich your English vocabulary and make your communication more vivid and expressive. We hope this video has ignited a pitch of excitement in you to explore and embrace more such expressions. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Keep learning, and keep sharing the joy of language.